it's October 5th, 2023, and we decided about 5 or 6 hours ago to do a last-minute East Coast strike mission. It's been a few years. Last time I did one of these was to Florida for Hurricane Maria and scored epic waves, 3-day trip. So we're going to do a 3-day trip to my old hometown, Ocean City, Maryland, and go visit my beautiful mom who's celebrating a birthday on October 20th and score some waves with the old hometown brothers and sisters. And we were using frequent flyer miles. That's how we were able to book this last minute trip. So it does pay to fly, folks, and collect those miles. And we're crossing fingers for epic conditions. Okay, I made it to Philly. And it's time to get what you get when you go to Philly. And what's that? A Philly cheesesteak.
This plane is so cute. Is this us? Yep.
All right, we made it to Salisbury, Ocean City Airport. And yeah, back in the homeland. This is the town I went to college in.
Should I just get my bag?
So we're getting our bags. We're heading to the beach, and tomorrow morning we'll be on it. Woo-hoo. All right, making the trek down Coastal Highway. Check the gas prices. Wow, in California it's about $6.50 a gallon, so $3 more per gallon than it is here. Jeez.
Look at all these yummy foods. Artery clogging good.
Yeah, man. All right, the old hometown, Ocean City, Maryland. My buddy Mike Strawley.
Ryan Stairs Peak is right over here.
Ryan Stairs Peak.
He's the wave magnet right there.
He's not here now. We're gonna take over his peak. Only 2 guys out. Little light onshore wind. But a couple of peaks, like waist to chest, maybe.
Definitely just out.
Look at this little one straight out front. Little right-hander right there. My son Kieran is gonna have a go. Okay, it's on. What do you think, Vicki? Were you out there?
Epic.
All right. And in Maryland, you have crab cakes. Waiting for their food. You excited? What'd you order?
2 crab cakes. Cupcake sandwiches.
Delish. All right, just got finished a session in Midtown, which has decent sandbars, and just having a quick look uptown while we're waiting for our food. Very different up here in terms of sandbars. More shore breaky up at this part of town, but still a few peaks out here. There's one right there. And it's an absolutely beautiful day out here in Ocean City, Maryland. But that's going to change. Cold front pushing through tonight. It's going to get much cooler, drier, and windier. Offshore though. But for now, an absolute cracker of a day. It's about 80 degrees. Beautiful. Whee. All right, we're visiting Mom, and Vicki is eating a crab cake sandwich. So is Kieran. Delicious? What are those things?
Chips.
Wow, like seasoned chips. Look what I'm having. A salad. Because I'm a good boy.
Huh. Any luck? Ooh, it's so muddy. Holy God!
Oh my gosh, what is that thing? Get it, Kieran. You.
Chill.
Don't fall in.
I snagged it, I think.
Oh my
gosh.
Nice one.
What? Get a picture.
Woohoo!
Take a picture, Mom.
Catch and release. Wow.
Go get released, kid. There we go. I don't know if I can pick them up. I don't know what it is.
What is that?
Chill, kid.
All right, what's the plan? We're at Old Pro Golf in Ocean City, Maryland. This is where I used to play when I was a kid, the Pirate Golf Course. And we're gonna have a stab at it. I probably haven't played at this course in 40 years
And
at
I'm gonna
least.
take him
And
down
it's
for-
still the same, hasn't changed.
I'm gonna take him down for $5.
Oh, geez. Now she's really dreaming. All right, we're on. Okay.
What? Oh my gosh!
Hole in one! Dang, dude. You almost hit my ball again. Okay, so Kieran just got a hole in one on this thing. It's got a loop. Oh, geez. That's one. Yeah.
Oh, so close!
Not quite. Technically,
It was
if you
practice.
wreck the ball, it counts. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. God
What? Oh.
dang it. Dang. That's one. Oh! Kieran's up. It's the last hole, and he's got to get it in the opening of this treasure chest. So it's just big enough to fit a ball and has to go up this ramp. Can he do it? No, that one's not going to do it. Oh, he gets another try. Well, this hole doesn't count.
I know, but it didn't go over the thing.
Uh-oh. No, that one's not going to do it. Let's see how Vicki does.
Come on, Mom, get it.
Oh, it hit the edge of the treasure chest and bounced.
Go. Oh. Oh.
Yeah, read it.
Oh my God.
Get over.
Well, this is my old neighborhood that I lived in Ocean City when I lived here for 8 years and spent the summers here for many years before that. Shifting Sands Road here in OC, and there is my old house, that one right there. And you can see the water directly behind the house, our docks out there, and we used to ice skate in the winter on the frozen water, and we'd go boating and play mini Olympics in this neighborhood with my buddies who lived directly across the street from me, and it was a pretty cool place to live for all those years. And then to catch the bus to school, I would have to walk down this road, which wasn't bad, but in the winter when it was frigid, this was pretty brutal. It's like I don't know, maybe a half a mile. but it's, you know, 20 degrees outside and windy. It's it's pretty rough. And we would do it every day to catch the bus. Good times. All right, Kieran's on it. Ocean City, Maryland. He's gonna tackle it on the surfboard this time. Let's see how he does. Hometown session number 2. See how it goes. Favorite meal on the planet, Lido pizza. Oh my God. Don't talk to me. I'm about to crush this thing.
At his mom's house, he's in heaven.
Saturday. Offshore winds today. Is it boogie heaven? It's just supposed to pick up all day today. So a little more crowded today. Jeez. Woo. got breakfast here. Look at this cheese. Are you stoked on the breakfast? Satellite coffee shop. All right, here's the family photos here. That's me as a baby. A little fat kid. My dad in the army. Yeah, Dad. And yeah, Family photo before we were married, before we had kids. Good times. It's my big sister.
Please.
You're gonna be in our vlog.
Which one?
Hi, Lisa. Hello. Mwah. How are you?
Good.
Good. So good to see you too. It's been a while.
I know.
6 months since the wedding.
Yes.
Yeah, you're still on the vlog.
Turn that thing off.
Okay, Indian River Inlet. Thought we'd give it a try this morning. It's a brisk morning. Started out in the high 40s. Now probably low 50s. Beautiful offshore wind conditions, and have a surf check over here.
How's the black sand?
Yeah. Kind of soft and small. Here's a little set. Here's a little set right here. Oh, that guy's in trunks? Jeez. Origin. It's the Sano of Delaware. hit up Bull on the Beach for some delicious food. Ocean City Classic. Okay, look at that. Is this? Yes, it is a real bird. Kieran's managed to pick off the ground.
And Kieran
Look
and
at that.
Jay are gonna have a golf off.
Yeah, because we tied the other day, so now we have to have a mini golf off here at Lost Treasure so that we can see who the best mini golfer is. There it goes. Okay, here we go.
The worst part of traveling.
Oh. It's like 48 degrees out here right now. It's freezing.
It is.
Oh, jeez. And I hope everything's out of the car.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, and then we're gonna have to pack this stuff up in the morning. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
it's all wet. Heading home. Back to lounge life here in Denver on the way home. Almost there. Carry on, peasant. Carry on, peasants.
What does he see?
It reclines.
Whatever, Jay. You'd think you'd hook your wife up. You'd think you'd hook your wife up.
Would you like to sit here?
No. You're older.
I'm old. I need it.